Hey guys, if you want to see how I went from these grown out nails to these nails, then keep watching. Okay, so this set is something I did a couple weeks ago. These are chrome gel X nails and they are a little grown out, so I'm going to take them off real quick. I know they may look a little crazy right now, but you gotta trust the process. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just file all of them up and shape them into kind of a square or squoval shape. Now I'm just going to take my cuticle pusher and push back all my cuticles kind of gently. It doesn't look like I'm doing it gently, but I swear it does not hurt, or it shouldn't hurt when you're doing it. So since I just pushed back my cuticles, I'm going to go in with my cuticle clipper and kind of go in very carefully. I've been doing this for a long time on myself, but it can be difficult to do on others, so you just kind of need a little practice with it. Next, I'm going to go in with this small precision cuticle bit just over my cuticles, really getting all the skin off of it and just making it look a lot cleaner. It's important to do this so you can get everything off of the nail so there's no lifting, because if you lift all of this on there, then it wouldn't even adhere to your actual nail. It'll just adhere to all of the dead skin at the surface. Next, I'm going with this smoothing nail bit, and I'm really just trying to smooth out the entire surface. It's on a low setting, so this really should not harm you, and it's not sharp at all, just really to get everything off of the nail and make it flat and smooth. I'm quickly using this nail bit to go over my nails to create a rough surface so everything sticks to it better. Now I'm going with a dehydrator to really dry out my nails so everything can further adhere. Now I'm going in with the IBD nail primer so all the product can stick to my nail. Now I'm going to show you how I apply builder gel onto my nails to make them nice and strong. So I'm going to start off painting on a thin layer of the builder gel just so everything can flow better as I'm building it up. So you want to take kind of a big glob of it and put it at the base near the cuticle, but kind of leave a little bit of room so it doesn't flood the cuticle. And you want to work your way down, rotating your finger. It can kind of be tricky, but you'll get the hang of it as I'm showing you. Builder gel moves really easily, so you just want to flash cure it for a few seconds before you move on to your other fingers. I'm just going to do the same thing for all the other fingers. You want to paint on a thin layer of just the gel, and then you want to put on a thick little glob at the top, and then just move your way down, and you can clean up the sides as you go because you don't want anything getting messy. It's better to clean it up as you go than clean it up at the end because it just creates trouble for yourself. Once again, you have to flash cure in between or it will move when you're doing the other fingers. I just want to note it is important to apply it the best you can, try and do it evenly and just kind of make it look perfect. But if it doesn't come out perfect when you're applying it, after you cure all of them for the 1 minute, you can just go back in and kind of even it out with a nail drill or a file. So it really isn't that big of a deal if it's not perfect from the start. I know a lot of people aren't fans of acrylic or just adding tips onto their nails, so I do think this is a better alternative for you. I have purposely been trying to grow out my nails just so I can do this on my natural nails, and it gives the effect of SNS or dip powder, so I do think there are alternatives out there if you don't like some nail techniques that are used. I chose this color of builder gel because I knew I was going to put chrome powder on top of it, and this polish has an undertone of pink, neutrals, kind of a beige color. I knew it would look like a pearl once the powder was applied on top of it. So now I'm going to cure my nails for 1 minute, and after that I'm going to go with alcohol prep pad just to get the sticky layer off the nail, which is called the inhibition layer, and you can't do anything if you don't take off the layer on top. So since product was added onto my nails, I'm just going to go ahead and shape up the sides just if it lost a little bit of its form, but it all pretty much looks the same. I just kind of want to make it perfect because this is the last time that you're going to have to shape up your nails. So now, like I said, since everything's cured and the sticky layer has been removed, you can really go with the file and kind of shape it up and take away any of the lumps and look at it from the side to see if it looks good to you. So now that these nails are now done and nice and shaped up, you're going to put on a gel top coat just to prep yourself before you put on the chrome powder, because you shouldn't put the chrome powder on if you haven't put on a gel top coat prior. You want to make sure to clean up the sides before you cure it in the lamp for 1 minute. Okay, so this is the best part. You want to go in with the chrome powder. I got this one off of Amazon, and you want to go with the sponge and just put it on the entire nail. You don't want to miss a spot, so you want to get up all in the cuticle, all around the tip of the nail, just everything. You do not want to miss a spot because that would be really annoying. And just look at how satisfying that is. Like, honestly, all the hard work was worth it for that one moment. Make sure to go in with the brush and take off all of the dust, just because if you don't take off the dust, then when you put on the gel top coat, it'll just get stuck in your top coat, and you don't want that transferring to other nails if you do them in the future. Alright, so now you want to cure it, and then these are the nice pearl nails. So since we just put our nails to the wringer, you really want to go in with the cuticle oil, and this part's also satisfying, kind of a reward for all your hard work. And now look at the nails, they're so nice and pearly.